Let me know in the comment which car you like the most. What's up everyone? So today we're at the Hot Fashion. I'm with my buddy Ian, our scene. Yeah, subscribe. He's brought his kid to do some nice cinematic video because here it's a really nice car meet.
Every clean cars in Tokyo and Saitama is here.
Yeah, we have some super nice build. We're gonna start with here, that beautiful 186 insane wide body kit. I really like the color. It's a nice metallic, like kind of like lavender purple. With Pokemon in the rear. Have some nice drawing in the quarter. Toyota Equa with air suspension, racing arts, 2000 tuning style. Hello. Have some nice R34 right here. Damn, that's a beautiful flashy orange color. Nice Impreza right here. Nice Corrado TSX, I think. Oh, it's a wagon. They're rare. The owner, he really worked to make the car perfectly replica of the Paul Walker Fast and Furious 2. Apparently the wheels are the exact same wheels. The interior, really nice interior with the same inside, same cage, same steering. And we have here all the audio setup. That's the owner. And this is the R34 of the host of the event. This build is insane. The S2 RB26. Big setup, probably 600 horsepower if it's not more. So much work in that car. So apparently they're custom made LM GT to fit the R35 brakes. It's a 19-inch size. So I think it was like a 18-inch and was rebarrel as a 19. It's really a nice setup. Fit the R35 brakes. He fit also the R35 GTR vent on the fenders. But I think one of the most crazy part is also the interior. Look at that. Carbon fiber, suede. So beautiful. So much work. And then he did also R35 style exhaust in the rear. Really insane. But one of the other build here that is really crazy is this RX7. Look at the wide body kit. Liberty Walk? Nice. I didn't know that Liberty Walk was making that one too. Really beautiful. The wheels in the front are so good. Famous colors of the famous Le Mans 4-rotor Mazda racing cars. They have also the beautiful Veilside Marlboro vinyl style. So this one was orange, but he wrapped it. It's a wrap. Yeah, you still see the orange under. Hey, this is the classic orange Veilside. Just wrap it. That's new because a few weeks ago it was all orange. So nice. RX7 again right here with the nice wide body kit. Really like it. Love that style. Wow, another one right here. So good. Those two racing style, Suzuki Swift and Honda Civic. Wow, this is really racing style. We need a kill switch right here. Empty interior. That's good. Another R34 right here. JZX. That looks good. A Mark II. I want one. Maybe one day I'll buy one. Oh, nice. That beautiful Skyline right there with the Infinity badge. I like that purple. Damn it. So beautiful. I love the reflection of the sun in it. I really want to paint my car purple like that. Wow, that's a beautiful Skyline. Chaser right here. Another Chaser.
If you want to go upstairs, you can take photos upstairs.
Oh, yeah, later. So good. Man, the builds quality. Oh, ooh, he's coming here. It's so nice, the quality of the builds right here. All cars are so clean here. The drift side Chaser. Alright, go on that side first. Have that beautiful GTR right here with nice Nismo. Are they... Oh, GT1, yeah. So Nismo LMGT, to recognize them, the GT1, the valve is on the barrel. GT2, they will have like a notch for the valve. And the exception is GT2 18-inch, have no notch. Because yeah, GT2 was available in 18-inch in the limited edition, and the valve going through one of the holes of the nuts. I know that because I did own a set. So rare, and I regret to have sold them. Damn it. Wow, nice midnight purple R33 right here. GTR with Portmeister wheels. Fatty boy. Oh, look at that one. That one is so good.
Remember the guy with the green R34, the Filipino guy?
Yeah.
Mark James? The shop who built these cars.
It's the same? Oh, yeah. You can see there's a nice quality. Yeah. Wow. Wow, look at the quality of the build. Wow. I even need a teddy bear to match the color of the But the cage with the wrapping, I like it. It's like kind of like a little bit like a Porsche. They have like sometimes
the color match is so good.
Yeah. It feels like OEM plus. Like that, the job of the hole in the original seats.
Yeah.
And this is crazy, having a cross cage like this, but still keeping the seats in the rear. It's not like kind of like you can really use it, but look, the job to fit the seats in the holes.
Even the leather on the roll cage. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's really a beautiful job. I really like. Yeah, there's a really high quality.
This one is much worse than my Miata.
Yeah, that's worse than yours.
This one is an LM.
LM?
Yeah, it's a real LM.
You think it's a real one? I don't know. The Skyline R33 GTR right here, but it's really like racing style also. Really looking good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, the guy have a dog box. That's nice. This is a rare midnight purple because it's not. It's I think midnight purple 1 or midnight purple 2. The midnight purple 3 is kind of like orange, but I think midnight purple 1 it's like a green. You see like a little bit the green. Actually it's the first time I see one in real.
think it's the real build. Yeah, but
Hmm.
it's a real R34.
It got repaint for sure. I don't know if it's the original color, but I can see some spot that looks like it got repaint. Oh, it just got respray. It's maybe original color, but I don't know. But that one,
So good.
so chrome. It's crazy.
It's unreal.
Yeah, it looks like a video game. But look at that R32, 4 logs wheels with like drag style slick tires. It's funny.
Retro seats.
Yeah, but you have an automatic door. See, you don't have door handle.
Yeah.
But then like he press on his remote and then the door open. Maybe it's around there. It's so funny. You show it to me. It's so funny. It's like the door open by himself. But the interior is so funny. Look, the seats. No headrest. Any small sticker. Oh, we have a S14 here, Fast and Furious style. Looks really, really look like the original one. Wow, looks good. All right, next slide. Civic, super low Skyline right here. BMW right here. Wow, look at Mieta. So broken. It's crazy. Have that Benz really low on small wheels. Nice BMW right here on TE37 wheels. Like the color match. Greenish with the orange wheels. Looking good. So the event just started actually, so it's not really full yet. Nice Audi right here. Super low Volkswagen right here. That feels good. Nice. But this one is really crazy. The Aston Martin. Is that DB9 or Vanquish? Let's see. I don't know them. Ah. Vintage. You see, I'm totally wrong. Everything carbon fiber. The bumper is carbon fiber, spoiler is carbon fiber front. Wow, this looks gorgeous. Oh, just saw something. Look at the steering wheel. Hey, interesting. See, all good quality build. License plate with kind of like a cover. He's probably doing illegal drifting. Well, license plate cover. Make sure that they're not getting a ticket, speed ticket. So funny. This look good. All right, so I'll take a few pictures with my camera. Probably gonna have more cars coming soon because it just started. Nice weather at least. It's a good place because it's a go-kart track you can rent. Kart Saitama. It's yeah, it's a place they usually have a go-kart here, but often people are renting that spot for doing car meet. It's really nice, high quality builds. Love it. Yeah, I'm making some heart.
Breaking my back, bro.
Yeah, me too. Especially after you know, my nice fall in the stairs. Man, it's so hard for the back. We're only 30s, bro. We're getting so much back problem already.
Bro,
For 40 years old, we're gonna come with the wheelchair, doing rolling shots.
Better.
Yeah.
Smoother shots.
Well, and which one is your favorite? Which one you like?
That one, right?
That one? Yeah.
In the RX7, the silhouette one.
Yeah, I have to admit this one, like the color is so nice, like a nice gray gloss with a nice custom interior. It's hard to choose which one is the nicest. They're all looking good in their own way.
Everything looks so good.
Yeah. I really like the way the Japanese building cars. We have a model right here. Yeah, she's I think modeling for him. They're taking like a pose on in front of every cars.
Right?
What style is that? Interesting clothing style. So good setup.
Yeah. She's here.
Yeah.
And if you're tired, you can use the stand.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. It's a good idea. Sometimes I miss my gimbal. Sometimes I wish I could keep my gimbal. And the ambience, the vibe is so good. The lights is so good too. Ah, yeah, so much camber. So wide. It's crazy.
Look at the tire. Only this is touched.
Yeah. Super extreme camber. Alright, let's go up. You wanna go up? I go up. Bro, the view of the mountain. So good view. So good. Oh, there's another place we can go there. So scary. Oh, what the hell? Ah! Oh my god. Ouch. Look what they're doing.
Stepping down.
Oh my god, poor paint. What the hell? Squatting gang. That's so funny. Squatting on the wood. Ouch. Yee. I can almost see the scratch from here. So funny. Yabai. Japanese yabai. So good vibe. I miss to expose my car to those kind of events. I know. Yeah, to update the situation. So I ordered the adapter plate with the custom flywheel for the K20. So in maybe a few days I should receive the adapter plate with the custom flywheel from G-Force. Yeah.
But I hope he didn't buy a fucked up K20.
Yeah, that's the thing. The K20, yeah, the K20 I pay like, include the shipping was 28,000 yen. 28,000 yen. So,
Not even 300 bucks.
yeah, like it's so cheap. That was include the shipping. That's the crazy part. I think the when I win the engine was like 14,000 yen and the shipping was the balance. So yeah, it's a K20 for cheap, but it's non-Type R, of course. It's a cheap K20, and crossing fingers that the engine is fine. But in the description, they were saying actually the K20 was working. So it's 160,000 kilometers K20 from a Honda Stepwagon 2006. And in the description, actually, it was saying it was working good. There were no problem on the engine, so I hope it's true. When I opened the intake, it was a little bit like oily, dirty, but yeah, it's maybe an old person was driving the car. And in the process, I need also to get a turbo for the K20. I'm new with that engine. I don't know anything about the K20 world, so some people say, oh yeah, you can get 400 horsepower easily with a good turbine and like 1000cc injector. Yeah, I can't wait to see if it's gonna work. Anyway, so go back to the meet. Yeah, it's a nice vibe, nice people, beautiful cars. I really enjoy. It's really nice event. Let me know in the comment which car you like the most. Actually, it's hard to decide. I don't know which one I prefer. I'm curious. There's two beautiful R34 right there from Fast and Furious 2, and that beautiful R34 really expensive build, R35 style a little bit. That one also is really good with the interior custom. But yeah, let me know in the comment which car you like the most, and it's gonna be the end. I'm gonna wrap this up. My back's suffering already because I did a walk around taking picture. I will put the picture on my Facebook page if you want to see them, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment and share. Drive safely. Ciao.
A few moments later.
The Hummer, bro.
Oh fuck. That's not good. Hey. Kao, this. Oh, the Miata is coming.
What is much worse?
Eh.